So guys, so I want to show you how you can everything that you need to know about this referral bonus, which is cashback voucher. So I was able to refer somebody click on my link at the video I make how to buy and sell crypto. Then the person register and verify his own listing and meet the Binance demand to deposit too. So I was able to get 100 USDT cashback voucher. So let me show you now everything you need to know about this cash voucher, this referral bonus, which is the cashback voucher. So as you can see, this is my account. I was able to refer one person and the person have signed and they have given me 100 USDT cashback voucher. So I want to show you through how we can go to my reward center and try to claim it and see the way everything works. This video is going to be a short video, so watch every detail of the video to know how you will do yours when you get your referral bonus. So let's go back. So we'll go to this reward center. That is where the card voucher is, cashback voucher is. So we'll go to that place. It's trying to open. So guys, I think Binance is doing it the way MTN used to do us here before in Nigeria, whereby they have to give you bonus and you will use it to call only their customer. You will not going to spend it in any other thing. I think it's that way. So this is the 100 USDT cashback voucher that they give to me, and they say I should redeem it to spot. So initially I thought this thing is a real money. I was even thinking how to use the 100 USDT, that it will boost my account on Binance. Never knew is it not going to be, never knew is way the MTN used to do us before. So let me redeem it so that everybody will see. See, so I press on the redeem. I say once you redeem, you will receive your spot trading fee cashback from the previous day. So I press, let's see, I should. So as you can see, they will not take me to spot that I should make trade. You know what this means now? You know, initially, whenever you make trade on Binance, whenever you make trade on spot, margin, and conversion, especially this spot, whenever you make trade on spot, so Binance used to charge you fee 1.0 1.0.1% fee of the crypto you are selling. So if you are selling 100 crypto, 100 USDT, they are going to charge you 0.1% of that crypto. So what they mean now is that in that 100 USDT which they've given to me, they will be charging it inside that money. They will not be charging my personal account. They will keep it in my account. Anytime I want to make trade on spot, they will be cutting it from that 100 USDT, but not giving me the 100 USDT at hand. So guys, that's how this cashback voucher works. So thank you guys, and God bless. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button, and also give me thumbs up so that this video will reach many people and we can grow together. Thank you, one love.